Recipes with truffles is pasta with chicken livers and white truffle, a real typical dish of Piedmont. Wow.
Antonio.
Yes.
I'm not used to anymore on this bicycle.
Yes, I know.
But this is all for the love of food.
But you are very useful. Come on, come on.
What do you mean I'm very useful?
Yeah,
Come
because
on,
you
come
bring me something, probably.
on. Yeah. Smell first.
Ah.
Bobby, you got shocked.
So what did my good friend bring? Ah. Oh, that's fantastic.
My truffle.
Okay, we use it. Gennaro, do you know what I'm doing here?
What are you doing, Nutella?
Wonderful tagliolini with fegatini. Just fantastic. It's extremely simple. Some wonderful butter in it. And this is unsalted butter. And then I put chopped onions. Meanwhile, you prepare the chicken livers and you cut in small cubes like this. You know, that's really sort of cuisine, mof, my type of cuisine.
Who is it, mof?
Mof is minimum of fast, maximum of flavor. You don't know it yet?
Yeah, no, it's all right. Now I know, you know. After all this year, I should know that.
Now I put this stuff here in it, which is the chicken livers. It goes so quickly. Did you put enough salt in the water?
I'm going to use it now. Yes, I
This
will
one,
put
yeah.
enough salt inside there.
Eat the pasta that hasn't been cooked like this and taste of nothing. So now it's just a little bit of wine, and this is a fortified wine. If you have a little bit of cherry would be very good. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Now we grate just a little bit of the truffle to give fantastic smell. A little bit there, because the rest we put it on top.
Shall I put the pasta inside?
Put the pasta in. Lovely. It is cooked. It cooks about 1.5 minutes like this when it's fresh pasta. And give me also a little bit of the water, a couple of teaspoons. This is a little trick to make the pasta very sort of moist. And you know what? I add just a little bit of butter for reason of make it creamy, a little bit creamy. That's fantastic.
I can't wait to eat it.
Yes, me neither. Now, let me see.
Me and you?
Yeah, no, just about. Oops. And now the pièce de résistance.
Come on. A little bit more.
Every slice is about 5 pounds, Gennaro.
Bless you.
And now something else. A lovely Parmesan cheese. Gennaro, this is a dish for kings and pigs, they say, because the truffle is liked by the pigs and by the kings in the same. So what do you prefer to be?
Antonio, I'll be the king.
Yeah, sure.
You be the pig.
Sure, you would. Now we peruse here. Be delicate. Have a little spoon here, not just Italy peasant like this.
You mind your own business. Only reason why, because you can't do like I do it.
Only a Terrone, somebody from the south of Italy can eat like this.
At least you can eat. You're very greedy when you eat this stuff, you know, Antonio.
Listen, don't tell me about greediness, because you can show quite a lot on your tummy. Well, I lost it.
I don't think you have any mirror inside your house, you know, Antonio. I don't care, it's delicious. Well done, you know. For once in your life, you show me you can cook something.
Okay, you can go because we are busy now.
Thank you, yeah, goodbye.